We all have problems. Life is a test. Allah says, "Do people think they will be left to say we believe, and they will not be tested?" 29:2. We tested those before them, so Allah will make known those who are truthful and those who are liars. 29:3. And Allah says, "Do you think you will enter paradise without experiencing what those before you experienced?" They were touched with hardship and adversity, until even the messenger and those with him said, "When will the help of Allah come?" Indeed, the help of Allah is near. 2:214. Help from Allah is always near. Yes, we will be tested. There will be hardship, difficulty, and sadness. But everything that happens is from Allah. If you remember this, you will not fall into depression. But if you forget Allah, the world becomes dark, heavy, and hopeless. We are an ummah that believes in happy endings because our story ends in Jannah, not in dunya. This dunya is low, temporary, and imperfect. From here, the only direction is upward. Do not think that tests come only through loss or death.